Good afternoon, dear students. Once again, it's me, Sarmila, in front of you, back with your mathematics session. So, are you ready to learn? Okay, great for students. Are you ready or not? I hope you are ready over there, right? So, today what we are going to learn, do you know? We are going to learn about number system. Are you ready to learn number system? Of course. So, do you know the what do you mean by number? Of course, you have learned from small childhood, right? So, let's learn the number. Okay. So, in number, we use different methods to learn. Different ways of learning numbers are there. Okay. Before, in ancient time, right, people used to draw in the wall, stone, and they start to write in the wall with the numbers, line, straight line, or they used to put the number of sticks piling to each other, number of stones, small, big, for counting the numbers. And it's going and developing the numbers, so we are able to know about different types of number. So we are going to learn how to write the numbers in 3 different ways. Okay. So, I hope you are ready over here. So, let's begin the class, okay, with the different numbers and how to write that numbers. So, are you ready? In number system, we learn sorry. In the number system, we learn about 3 different types of number. So, first one is Roman number. Have a look over here. It's a Roman number. And Roman number, how to write the Roman number? Do you have any idea on it? Okay, how to write the Roman number? See here. For 1, we used to write I, right? It's a symbol of I. For 5, we have to write here V. And for 10, X. And 50, it's for L. 100, it's for C. 500, it's for D. And 1000, it's for M, and for 5000, it's for V bar. So, in this way, we start to go on writing of the Roman numbers. So, I think you have already practiced on grade 3 as well, right? Okay, so if you are not practicing, you can go and practice on it. Okay, so students, these are the Roman number basically used to write the other different numbers. So, with the help of this number, we can combine and make other numbers too. For 2, how to write I. For 3, we have to write I. So, simply see here. So, 1 is it's for I. Then we used to write 2 as double I. 3 times I. 4 IV, right? So, you can write 4 IV and 5 V, 6 VI, 7 PII, 8 V, 3 times I, 9 IX, and 10. It's for X. Now, with the help of this combination of the numbers, so with the Roman number I have written over here, right? These are the Roman number. With the help of this Roman number, we can go on writing 11, 12, 13 and continuously going on and complete it up to 5000. I hope you can do it at your home. Okay. So, that is the first number, that is Roman number, right? So, we are going to write down our national number. So, Devanagari number. Writing in Nepali. I think you all are able to write in Nepali, right? Yes. What is the Nepali numbers? Can we say? Devanagari number. So, 0, 1. Oh, होइन. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you write like this way, then we call it as a Devanagari number. Do you understand? I hope you can do it well, right? Now, then after, we are going to learn about Hindu Arabic number. Okay, in Hindu-Arabic number, we used to start from the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it started from 0 and ended up to 9. So there are 10 different digits, right? So these 10 different digits used to combine with other numbers and form different numbers over here. So these are 3 different numbers we used in number system. I hope you understand it very well. So shall we go for the next? Okay. So students, in this system 10 symbols, right? 10, especially 10 symbol, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are used as digit to write any numbers. All the numbers from the smaller to the larger are formed by using this digit. So we can make a small number from this digit and a greater or bigger number also from the same digits. So the positions of the digits. So we are going to learn about place value as well, okay? From the number system, we are going to learn the place value, okay? From the same system, okay? From here, we are going to make a place value. How to write the place value? Okay, first let's have a look at the place value. So, the place value, last time I have already taught you how to write it. So, ready to write? So, before writing the place value, I just want to give you short definition on it, okay? So, place value mean what? The position of the digits may be ones, tens, hundred, thousand, etc. And they are called it. So, they are called it their place So, they are called the places of the digits and the value of that digit at the place called its place value. So, now see, have a look over here. We are going to talk about place value, place and face value. Place value, place and face value. Okay, before starting that place value, I just want to say, have you ever looked your mirror? Okay, every time you used to, right? Okay, in that time, so while looking at your mirror, what you will get? What you will see? Your own face, right? That face, whatever you see in the mirror, it's a reflection of your image, your body, right? So we call it as a face value. For example, I will just want to give you the questions, okay? 8, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I have written here different numbers. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits I have written on my board, right? So here, this one, writing the digit name is known as the face value. So we call it as a face value. Okay, the name numbers which I have given over here, we call it as a face value. So you can put a comma from right side. Okay, you have to count from the back side, right side to the, you have to come from right to left. So count from here. So I'm going to give the number name. Okay, so that 1 lies in which place? 1 will lies in ones place. So I'm writing O. 2 lies in tens place. So T. 3 write in 100 place. H. 4 in 1000. 6 in 10,000. 7 in 10,000 after lakh. 10 lakh, and it's for 8 for crore. So these, whatever the words written for the showing that, denoting that numbers, then that position is known as the place. Do you understand? That position is known as the place. And place value, okay, where it will lies, this is known as the place and place value. Place value mean 1 lies in ones, 2 mean 20, like this way. It's go on increasing. Okay, so 8 is in crore place. I will write from back side. Okay, 1 is in place of 10, so I have to write 1 as it is, and 2 it's for 20, 3 for 300, 4 for 4,000, 6 for 60,000. See, count the 0. 1, 2, 3, here must be 4. Now same like that, 7 it's for 5 zeros. Count, increasing the number meaning increasing of the zeros also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So same like here, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 8, 7. These are known as the place values. So I hope you can do it. You can identify and you can separate the face value, place and place value as well, right? Good. Good job. Okay. Now, next is what? We are going to learn about relations of Hindu, Arabic and Devanagari. So, are you ready to learn the relationship between them? Okay, have a look over here. What is written in the first? First is writing Hindu, Arabic. So, let's have a corresponding relations of Hindu, Arabic and Devanagari numbers are shown in this chart paper. See here, I have written here. So, I hope you can see it clearly, right? So, here Hindu, Arabic mean what? I am going to write the, okay, only the place value. I am going to write place value 1. 1 mean its place is ones. 10, its place is tens. I have already informed you in before, right? It's 100. So 100 and their relationship, see? 1, ones, ek भनेको एक थाहा भयो है. So 10, tens, 10, 10. Place लेख्ने. So 100, hundreds, 100 भनेको 100. We are separating in Devanagari and Hindu Arabic. So you have to be very careful on it, okay, while writing. So if we want to write 1000 over here, then we have to write in Nepali. It's 1000 is for hazar. 10,000 it's a 10,000. Lakh it's for lakh, right? 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, crore, and then 10 crore, it's 10 crore. Vayo? Okay, I hope you can separate Hindu Arabic number and Devanagari number, right? Okay, so I think you can easily identify it. So now students, we are going to learn another things over here. Okay, so ready for that? Good. Okay, now let's have a look on it. The comparison between. Before we have compared between the national and the in previous chart we have learned about the comparison between Hindu Arabic numbers and then after Devanagari numbers, right? So now once again have a look on another chart, this one. So see here it's written comparison between national and international number system, or we can say as a national system as a Hindu Arabic system also, right? And international system also over here. So what is the differences between national system and international system? Let's have a look on it. So are you ready to see here? Okay, so let's make a box same like my one in your notebook and be ready for writing. Okay, the first place value of national system. How the place value will be started? It will be started from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore. Done? Okay, same like here. Ones, tens, hundred, they come in form of unit. Single number is there, right? They have a single name. So it's come in form of a unit. And 1000 and 10,000 is repeated for 2 times. 2 digits are there, right? Yes. So we have to write in form of 1000 only, okay? And lakhs and 10 lakhs is there. So you have to write in form of lakhs. 10 crore and crore and 10 crore is there, so you have to write in form of crore. So see here how to write the numbers. Ones means single digit 1, tens mean 1 0 10, 100 mean 1 0 0, 2 times 0 100, 1000 it's 3 times, 10,000 4 times 0 1, 4 times 0. Done. Then after lakh 1 5 times 0. How many zeros are there in lakh? See, 1 and 5 times 0. So 10 lakh. Here 6 times 0. 1 and 6 times 0. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to count and write in your notebook as well. Okay. So now next is crore. In crore it will be how many times 0 will be there? It's 7 times, right? So count it whether it is correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's right. It's 7 times 0. So have you noted in your notebook? Good. Now in 10 crore, how many times 0 will be there in 10 crore? It's 8 times, right? So have you written in 8 times 0 over there or not? Please check it first. So write down 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 times 0. 1 and 8 times 0. It's 10 crore. Done? Same like this. The same way we are going to learn on international system. Ready to say in international system? Okay, in international system, same number 1 is also known as ones. 10 it also known as tens. 100 it also known as 100. 1000 it also same 1000. 10,000 it also same 10,000. But pay attention over here. See here, in place of lakh, in international system, in place of lakh, we used to write 100,000. That you have to remember it, okay? In place of lakh, you have to write 100,000. 3 times we have to write 1000 over here in international system. Okay, are you getting me? Good. So, 10 lakh. If there is 10 lakh in national system, then in international system it will be 1 million. Here 10 lakhs mean, our one 10 lakh mean, international one it will be 1 million. 1 million of international and our 10 lakh will be equal. Okay. So, now then after, if it is in crore, then there will be 10 million. In international it will be 10 million. And if they have a 10 crore, if we have a 10 crore, then they have 100 million. Is it? Okay, see here. Let's count it, okay. Once again, let's have a look. Place value from international system. Ones, tens, 100. They are not repeating. Yes, are they repeated? No. So, they are again a single unit. They are coming only one time, so they are a unit. And 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 1000 is repeating for how many times over here? Can you show me with your finger? Okay, it's with 3 times. You have to show with the fingers also. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So, we call it as a, we can give the name as a 1000. Okay, it will be useful while writing in your notebook, or how to write in words. In that time it will come and you have to write over here, okay. So, like that way, when you are writing in million, 10 million and 100 million, again million is repeated for 3 times, right? Again million is repeated for 3 times. So, we are going to write it as a million. Are you getting me? Of course. Okay, students. Now, lastly, let's have a look on it. So, we can write, if there is 1 lakh, then we can write it as 100,000 in international. This is the comparison between national system and international system. Okay, the main differences are written over here. You can have a look over here, because ones and ones, No differences. Tens and tens. There isn't any differences. 100 and 100. It's not any difference. 1000, same. 10,000, 10,000. It's same. And it is the differences started from lakh. Are you getting me? So differences started from lakh. So you have to write 1 lakh equals to 100,000. Yes, 1 lakh equals to it's 100,000. Can you see in the straight line also? Yes. Lakh mean it's 100,000. So if there is 10 lakh, then we used to call it, if there is 10 lakh, then we used to say it's a 1 million. See, if it is 10 lakh, then we call it as a 1 million. Similarly, if there is a crore, if there is 1 crore, we used to say as 10 million. Is it? No. Or yes? Yes. It's, if there is 1 crore, then we call it as a 10 million. Okay. Lastly, 10 crore. If there is 10 crore, then what we have to do? 10 crore mean it's a 100 million. 10 crore mean it's a 100 million. So we have to run up to million. We are learning up to million. Are you getting me? Of course you are getting me, right? So students, so how to write number in words? I am just going to show you how to write this number in words from national and international system. Be ready with your notebooks. Okay, so see the question over here. Have a look over here. 8, 7, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1. Let's count the digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write one more digit. Now 8. Now if we are going to write in national system, then how to write? I am using different things. Okay, so write here. National system. Before writing the numbers, what you have to write? First write down the face value. 9, 8, 7, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1 as it is. Now to write in words, you have to separate it through comma first of all. Please put comma. In national system, from right. Let's start to count from right. Here, ones, tens, 100. You have to write in unit place. So ones, tens, 100, put comma. 1000 and 1000 is repeated only for 2 times, right? So you have to put comma and 1000. 2 times I have written separated number 2 and then put a comma. Then again after 1000 it's come lakh. 1, 2 lakh, 10 lakh, put comma, and 9 is there, it's come crore. Is it? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Can we write it? Okay, let's write it. Write in words. I am going to write in words. Please write it. 9 crore 87. Here is 87, right? So write it togetherly. 87 lakhs 34,000. Then after 87 it's come 34. So write it together. 34,000 34,200 and 81. Can you write it? Of course, you can write it like, okay, same like this way. Okay students, I have taught you up to national system, how to write the national system and writing in words as well, right? So I hope you understand it well, and we will do the same topic in next session. So stay at home safely. Have a good day.